산티아고는 큰 물고기를 꿈꿉니다.
Santiago dreams of big fish. Santiago dreams of big fish. Santiago dreams of big fish.
노인은 혼자입니다.
The old man is alone. The old man is alone. The old man is alone.
그는 바다를 좋아합니다.
He loves the sea. He loves the sea. He loves the sea.
산티아고는 가난해요.
Santiago is poor. Santiago is poor. Santiago is poor.
마놀린이 그를 도와줍니다.
Manolin helps him. Manolin helps him. Manolin helps him.
말린은 거대합니다.
The marlin is huge. The marlin is huge. The marlin is huge.
산티아고는 열심히 싸웠다.
Santiago fights hard. Santiago fights hard. Santiago fights hard.
상어는 나중에 공격합니다.
Sharks attack later. Sharks attack later. Sharks attack later.
산티아고는 결코 포기하지 않습니다.
Santiago never gives up. Santiago never gives up. Santiago never gives up.
그는 자신에게 이야기합니다.
He talks to himself. He talks to himself. He talks to himself.
소녀는 믿습니다.
The boy believes. The boy believes. The boy believes.
그들은 작은 물고기를 잡습니다.
They catch small fish. They catch small fish. They catch small fish.
마놀린은 깊은 관심을 가지고 있습니다.
Manolin cares deeply. Manolin cares deeply. Manolin cares deeply.
산티아고의 손에서 피가 난다.
Santiago's hands bleed. Santiago's hands bleed. Santiago's hands bleed.
그는 물고기를 존경합니다.
He respects the fish. He respects the fish. He respects the fish.
바다는 넓다.
The sea is vast. The sea is vast. The sea is vast.
산티아고는 참을성이 있다.
Santiago is patient. Santiago is patient. Santiago is patient.
노인은 고군분투합니다.
The old man struggles. The old man struggles. The old man struggles.
희망이 그를 강하게 만든다.
Hope keeps him strong. Hope keeps him strong. Hope keeps him strong.
기억이 그를 괴롭힌다.
Memories haunt him. Memories haunt him. Memories haunt him.
전투는 정신적입니다.
The battle is mental. The battle is mental. The battle is mental.
산티아고는 피곤하다.
Santiago is tired. Santiago is tired. Santiago is tired.
상어원.
The shark's circle. The shark's circle. The shark's circle.
노인은 싸운다.
The old man fights. The old man fights. The old man fights.
마놀린은 산티아고를 존경합니다.
Manilyn admires Santiago. Manilyn admires Santiago. Manilyn admires Santiago.
물고기는 도전이다.
The fish is a challenge. The fish is a challenge. The fish is a challenge.
산티아고의 운이 바뀌었다.
Santiago's luck changes. Santiago's luck changes. Santiago's luck changes.
투쟁은 현실입니다.
The struggle is real. The struggle is real. The struggle is real.
노인은 계속한다.
The old man persists. The old man persists. The old man persists.
산티아고는 고통에 직면해 있다.
Santiago faces pain. Santiago faces pain. Santiago faces pain.
그는 그 소년을 그리워한다.
He misses the boy. He misses the boy. He misses the boy.
바다는 용서할 수 없습니다.
The sea is unforgiving. The sea is unforgiving. The sea is unforgiving.
산티아고의 이야기는 영감을 줍니다.
Santiago's story inspires. Santiago's story inspires. Santiago's story inspires.
여행은 상징적이다.
The journey is symbolic. The journey is symbolic. The journey is symbolic.
자연은 예측할 수 없습니다.
Nature is unpredictable. Nature is unpredictable. Nature is unpredictable.
마놀리는 교훈을 얻습니다.
Manilyn learns lessons. Manilyn learns lessons. Manilyn learns lessons.
산티아고는 고난을 견뎌냅니다.
Santiago endures hardships. Santiago endures hardships. Santiago endures hardships.
그는 외로움과 싸웁니다.
He battles loneliness. He battles loneliness. He battles loneliness.
바다는 회복력을 가르칩니다.
The sea teaches resilience. The sea teaches resilience. The sea teaches resilience.
산티아고의 결단력은 놀랍습니다.
Santiago's determination amazes. Santiago's determination amazes. Santiago's determination amazes.
마놀리는 더욱 현명해집니다.
Manilyn grows wiser. Manilyn grows wiser. Manilyn grows wiser.
어부의 삶이 펼쳐진다.
The fisherman's life unfolds. The fisherman's life unfolds. The fisherman's life unfolds.
바다는 운명을 결정한다.
The sea shapes destiny. The sea shapes destiny. The sea shapes destiny.
산티아고의 정신이 승리합니다.
Santiago's spirit triumphs. Santiago's spirit triumphs. Santiago's spirit triumphs.
우정은 고독을 정복합니다.
Friendship conquers solitude. Friendship conquers solitude. Friendship conquers solitude.
꿈은 인내를 불러일으킵니다.
Dreams fuel perseverance. Dreams fuel perseverance. Dreams fuel perseverance.
마놀리는 힘을 찾습니다.
Manilyn finds strength. Manolin finds strength. Manolin finds strength.
투쟁은 성격을 형성합니다.
The struggle builds character. The struggle builds character. The struggle builds character.
노인은 가르친다.
The old man teaches. The old man teaches. The old man teaches.
산티아고의 이야기는 공감합니다.
Santiago's tale resonates. Santiago's tale resonates. Santiago's tale resonates.
산티아고는 쿠바의 늙은 어부입니다.
Santiago is an old Cuban fisherman. Santiago is an old Cuban fisherman. Santiago is an old Cuban fisherman.
그는 거대한 청새치를 잡는 꿈을 꾼다.
He dreams of catching a giant marlin. He dreams of catching a giant marlin. He dreams of catching a giant marlin.
그는 매일 바다를 혼자 항해합니다.
Each day, he sails alone on the sea. Each day, he sails alone on the sea. Each day, he sails alone on the sea.
바다는 그의 끊임없는 동반자입니다.
The ocean is his constant companion. The ocean is his constant companion. The ocean is his constant companion.
산티아고는 용기 있게 도전에 맞서고 있습니다.
Santiago faces challenges with courage. Santiago faces challenges with courage. Santiago faces challenges with courage.
그의 손은 풍화되고 강하다.
His hands are weathered and strong. His hands are weathered and strong. His hands are weathered and strong.
그는 이 일의 존엄성을 믿습니다.
He believes in the dignity of work. He believes in the dignity of work. He believes in the dignity of work.
노인의 정신은 깨지지 않았습니다.
The old man's spirit is unbroken. The old man's spirit is unbroken. The old man's spirit is unbroken.
그는 어느 날 엄청난 양의 물고기를 낚습니다.
He hooks a massive fish one day. He hooks a massive fish one day. He hooks a massive fish one day.
인간과 물고기의 투쟁이 시작됩니다.
The struggle between man and fish begins. The struggle between man and fish begins. The struggle between man and fish begins.
산티아고는 온 힘을 다해 싸운다.
Santiago fights with all his might. Santiago fights with all his might. Santiago fights with all his might.
물고기는 그를 바다로 끌어낸다.
The fish pulls him out to sea. The fish pulls him out to sea. The fish pulls him out to sea.
전투는 이틀 동안 지속됩니다.
The battle lasts for 2 days. The battle lasts for 2 days. The battle lasts for 2 days.
산티아고는 포기를 거부합니다.
Santiago refuses to give up. Santiago refuses to give up. Santiago refuses to give up.
그는 물고기에게 친구처럼 이야기합니다.
He talks to the fish as a friend. He talks to the fish as a friend. He talks to the fish as a friend.
노인은 이기기로 결심했습니다.
The old man is determined to win. The old man is determined to win. The old man is determined to win.
상어는 갈고리 청새치를 공격합니다.
Sharks attack the hooked marlin. Sharks attack the hooked marlin. Sharks attack the hooked marlin.
산티아고는 포식자들과 싸운다.
Santiago fights off the predators. Santiago fights off the predators. Santiago fights off the predators.
바다는 피로 붉게 변합니다.
The sea turns red with blood. The sea turns red with blood. The sea turns red with blood.
그의 한때 장엄했던 어획량은 망가졌습니다.
His once majestic catch is ruined. His once majestic catch is ruined. His once majestic catch is ruined.
산티아고는 해골만 가지고 돌아온다.
Santiago returns with only a skeleton. Santiago returns with only a skeleton. Santiago returns with only a skeleton.
그는 슬픔과 자부심을 동시에 느낍니다.
He feels both sadness and pride. He feels both sadness and pride. He feels both sadness and pride.
노인은 지쳐서 잠을 잔다.
The old man sleeps, exhausted. The old man sleeps, exhausted. The old man sleeps, exhausted.
그는 해변에 있는 사자의 꿈을 꾼다.
He dreams of lions on the beach. He dreams of lions on the beach. He dreams of lions on the beach.
산티아고는 미소를 지으며 깨어납니다.
Santiago wakes up with a smile. Santiago wakes up with a smile. Santiago wakes up with a smile.
패배에도 불구하고 그는 무패입니다.
Despite his loss, he's undefeated. Despite his loss, he's undefeated. Despite his loss, he's undefeated.
그의 젊은 친구인 마놀린이 그를 보살펴준다.
Manolin, his young friend, cares for him. Manolin, his young friend, cares for him. Manolin, his young friend, cares for him.
그들의 유대는 깊고 의미가 있습니다.
Their bond is deep and meaningful. Their bond is deep and meaningful. Their bond is deep and meaningful.
마놀린은 산티아고의 지혜로부터 배웁니다.
Manolin learns from Santiago's wisdom. Manolin learns from Santiago's wisdom. Manolin learns from Santiago's wisdom.
노인은 인생의 교훈을 가르칩니다.
The old man teaches life's lessons. The old man teaches life's lessons. The old man teaches life's lessons.
이야기는 탄력성과 명예에 관한 것입니다.
The story is about resilience and honor. The story is about resilience and honor. The story is about resilience and honor.
자연은 아름답고 잔인합니다.
Nature is both beautiful and cruel. Nature is both beautiful and cruel. Nature is both beautiful and cruel.
산티아고의 여정은 은유이다.
Santiago's journey is a metaphor. Santiago's journey is a metaphor. Santiago's journey is a metaphor.
바다는 삶의 도전을 상징합니다.
The sea symbolizes life's challenges. The sea symbolizes life's challenges. The sea symbolizes life's challenges.
헤밍웨이의 산문은 단순하면서도 심오하다.
Hemingway's prose is simple yet profound. Hemingway's prose is simple yet profound. Hemingway's prose is simple yet profound.
소설은 인간의 정신을 탐구합니다.
The novel explores the human spirit. The novel explores the human spirit. The novel explores the human spirit.
산티아고는 결단의 상징이다.
Santiago is a symbol of determination. Santiago is a symbol of determination. Santiago is a symbol of determination.
그의 투쟁은 독자들의 공감을 불러일으킵니다.
His struggle resonates with readers. His struggle resonates with readers. His struggle resonates with readers.
배경은 걸프스트림입니다.
The setting is the Gulf Stream. The setting is the Gulf Stream. The setting is the Gulf Stream.
바다는 거대하고 예측할 수 없는 힘을 가지고 있습니다.
The sea is a vast, unpredictable force. The sea is a vast, unpredictable force. The sea is a vast, unpredictable force.
산티아고는 자신의 경험에 의존합니다.
Santiago relies on his experience. Santiago relies on his experience. Santiago relies on his experience.
그 노인은 숙련된 어부이다.
The old man is a skilled fisherman. The old man is a skilled fisherman. The old man is a skilled fisherman.
그는 자신이 잡은 생물을 존중합니다.
He respects the creatures he catches. He respects the creatures he catches. He respects the creatures he catches.
산티아고의 겸손은 감탄할 만하다.
Santiago's humility is admirable. Santiago's humility is admirable. Santiago's humility is admirable.
그는 고독 속에서 힘을 찾습니다.
He finds strength in solitude. He finds strength in solitude. He finds strength in solitude.
노인은 용감하게 고립에 직면합니다.
The old man faces isolation bravely. The old man faces isolation bravely. The old man faces isolation bravely.
산티아고의 이야기는 시대를 초월하고 보편적입니다.
Santiago's story is timeless and universal. Santiago's story is timeless and universal. Santiago's story is timeless and universal.
그것은 인간의 상태에 대해 우리에게 가르쳐 줍니다.
It teaches us about the human condition. It teaches us about the human condition. It teaches us about the human condition.
소설은 삶의 본질을 포착합니다.
The novel captures the essence of life. The novel captures the essence of life. The novel captures the essence of life.
헤밍웨이의 걸작은 지속됩니다.
Hemingway's masterpiece endures. Hemingway's masterpiece endures. Hemingway's masterpiece endures.